Welcome to MotoZone Official. This time, we will discuss about 8 best sport touring motorcycles 2026. One, Honda Goldwing. The Honda Goldwing isn't just a motorcycle, it is a rolling monument to long-distance perfection. Celebrating 5 decades of dominance, the latest Goldwing continues to define what premium touring should feel like. Power comes from a silky smooth 1,833cc flat-6 engine, delivering 125 horsepower and 125 pound-feet of torque, providing effortless acceleration with turbine-like refinement. Honda's unique double wishbone front suspension replaces traditional forks, improving stability and responsiveness despite the bike's substantial weight. Add features like a 7-speed DCT automatic transmission, reverse gear, heated grips, cruise control, adjustable ride modes, and even an optional airbag, and you're looking at one of the most technologically advanced motorcycles ever built. Despite its luxury focus, the Goldwing still surprises in the corners, proving that comfort and capability can coexist. And with legendary Honda reliability, this is a bike built to cross continents without hesitation. Two, BMW K1600 GTL. If any motorcycle threatens the Goldwing's throne, it's the BMW K1600 GTL. Powered by a 1,649cc inline-6 engine, producing a massive 160 horsepower and 133 pound-feet of torque, this Bavarian tourer prioritizes performance without sacrificing comfort. Lighter than the Honda and engineered with a low center of gravity, the K1600 GTL handles twisty roads with astonishing agility for its size. Features like lean-sensitive traction control, electronically adjustable suspension, adaptive headlights, and BMW's advanced riding modes elevate the experience even further. Its 10.25-inch display integrates seamlessly with BMW's connected app, and the standard premium audio system ensures every mile feels first class. This is sport touring with a distinctly performance-driven personality. Three, Harley-Davidson Road Glide. The Harley-Davidson Road Glide remains an icon, instantly recognizable by its fixed shark nose fairing and unmistakable V-twin character. For the latest generation, Harley refined every detail while retaining the soul that made the Road Glide legendary. The Milwaukee 8 117 engine produces 105 horsepower and a muscular 130 pound-feet of torque at low RPMs, delivering effortless acceleration and smooth cruising. Improved Showa suspension, Brembo brakes, upgraded seats, and advanced electronics transform this heavyweight bagger into a surprisingly capable long-distance machine. With a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen, ride modes, cornering ABS, traction control, and Apple CarPlay support, the Road Glide blends classic American style with modern touring tech. Four, Indian Roadmaster. The Indian Roadmaster is all about torque, presence, and comfort. With the Power Plus 112 engine producing 126 horsepower and 133 pound-feet of torque, acceleration is immediate and authoritative. This is a motorcycle that moves with locomotive-like confidence. Yes, it's massive, weighing up to 933 pounds, but once underway, the Roadmaster delivers an incredibly stable and plush ride. It's less about carving corners and more about consuming miles in total comfort. Advanced features like blind spot monitoring, hill hold control, rear collision warning, lean-sensitive ABS, and cylinder deactivation ensure the Roadmaster is as intelligent as it is powerful. It's a two-wheeled luxury cruiser in every sense. BMW R1300 RT. For riders who want genuine sport bike-like handling without sacrificing touring comfort, the BMW R1300 RT hits the sweet spot. Its new 1,300cc Boxer twin produces an impressive 143 horsepower, delivering strong acceleration and a top speed of around 140 miles per hour. The standout feature is BMW's dynamic chassis adaptation, allowing the bike to switch from relaxed touring geometry to aggressive sports settings at the push of a button. Advanced rider aids like adaptive cruise control, collision warnings, and semi-active suspension make long journeys safer and more enjoyable. This is a sport tourer that truly lives up to its name, equally thrilling on mountain passes and motorways. Six, Yamaha Tracer 9 GT Plus. The Yamaha Tracer 9 GT Plus proves that you don't need massive displacement to have a world-class sport tourer. Its 890cc triple-cylinder engine delivers 117 horsepower with a lively, character-filled delivery, while its relatively lightweight gives it exceptional agility. Comfort improvements, semi-active suspension, adaptive cruise control, matrix LED headlights, and Yamaha's innovative YAMT semi-automatic transmission make this one of the smartest motorcycles in its class. While availability varies by market, the Tracer 9 GT Plus offers incredible value and performance, making it a standout option for riders who want technology without excessive bulk. Seven, Honda NT1100 DCT. The Honda NT1100 focuses on comfort, ease of use, and reliability. Its 1084cc parallel twin engine may not chase top-end performance numbers, but its torque-rich delivery and bulletproof reputation make it ideal for real-world touring. Paired with Honda's excellent dual-clutch transmission, the NT1100 allows riders to choose between manual-style control or fully automatic operation. Long-distance comfort is excellent, and features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, cruise control, heated grips, and LED lighting make it a complete touring package at a competitive price point. 8. Kawasaki Versys 1100 SELT. The Kawasaki Versys 1100 SELT is the definition of versatility. With a Ninja-derived 1099cc inline-4 producing 133 horsepower, it offers smooth, effortless power for highway cruising. Electronically controlled suspension, upright ergonomics, cornering management electronics, and long travel suspension allow the Versys to handle everything from long freeway rides to lightly unpaved back roads. It's not an adventure bike, but it offers flexibility few pure tourers can match.